that condo was pretty nasty, but that was about 10 years ago, well, almost 11 years ago, because Dan Murr had me come and host for David's Hell. And I was like, yeah, I'll do it. And I had a day job at the time. And I told the guy, oh man, I got a terrible stomach flu. And I drove to Phoenix or Tempe to do the hosting for Dave. And then when I'm sitting in the green room, Attell comes in and he's like, what are you doing here? Because he knew me from the Comedy Store, waiting tables and Mitzi's assistant, whatever. But he goes, do you work here now? And I was like, no, I'm doing stand-up. He's like, get the fuck out of here. Like, and then I got to host for him, and then I was such a big fan of Attell. I was giving him a giant intro, and he's like, hey, you gotta not, I can't follow the intro. You gotta calm down. All right. So I'll just give like 2 things you've done. Because I was given like, he had a great set, and